For this handpiece, the needle can fix and lock the fiber inside. So when you're doing the treatment, the fiber won't move or move out or get out later. As you can see here, you see this fiber? Okay, just getting out with two or three, probably okay. Yeah, the lines, and we tighten the needle so this fiber is fixed or locked. It won't move. As you can see, it won't move. It's very tight. And next, after this, you can size the red light in the system. Usually for the lipolysis function, we use the very strong red light, and the next, we choose the pulse mode, our CW mode. For the parameters, after we go later, we will send you details. For no matter if you use the CW mode or pulse mode, we have detailed information on the parameters, so don't worry about it. And I will show you how to the light get out. Choose the energy. We choose 20 and the standby. You can see red light. And so let me show you how this is working and using the full switch on this picture. As you can see here, oh, it's a hole, see?
看不见。
看不见。我从后面看。You see the smoking? It's very high energy. Okay. And this is for the lipolysis function, also the liposuction also. So if you have any questions for this function, you can contact our people at any time. And next, I will introduce you another handpiece cutting function, the similar handpiece like this. So I will just install it. It's the same handpiece. You see here, like this, same handpiece. This is the cutting handpiece. Cutting handpiece using together with the handpiece, fiber, and the needle, empty needle. I will show you later. This is and put the fiber inside, as you can see here. And you put this on. This is the cutting functions for the animal or human surgery use. This is for the tightening and lock the fiber, so you don't need to treat it very tight first. After you the handpiece, this is the cutting handpiece using together with the fiber and the empty needle. This is empty inside, so you can put the fiber inside of this needle. Let me do it. Okay, put it inside, and when you can see the fiber, keep this and tighten this connector. Will be okay. Yeah, this is the cutting handpiece, and this is for lock and tighten the fiber. You can see it won't move, and this is empty needle, so you can do the treatment very good. So for this needle, we have many different shapes like straight and burr and other shapes. And you can choose according to your need. So this is the same function working like the it's like the lipolysis working. You can see here also. You see smoking. It's for cutting functions. Cutting is also the surgery. Small surgery on the human or animal on body. Also cutting some organizations. Okay, and the next handpiece I will introduce you are another one, ENT, ear, nose, and throat handpiece. I will show you how to do it. Next, I will introduce you our vaginal tightening handpiece first, because this, some of our clients need this one. We introduce this treatment handle to measure and pull up this one. This is for the vaginal tightening handpiece. On the market, there are three technologies for the vaginal tightening function for now. First, like the HEP machine, we all know the HEP machine. They have the vaginal tightening handpiece, and another machine is the self-fractional lead machine. This is the second lead machine on the market that can do the vaginal tightening. And for our direct lead machine with 980 nanometer, this is the advantage and also the most popular technology and handpiece for the vaginal tightening. And next, I will introduce you the details connector with lead machine, and here's the table line, and here is the treatment handle. As you can see, scope inside with the numbers, different distance and lines, and also this number. You see this number? And this is the glass tube. You can see inside of the glass tube is the fiber. This is the random fiber. I will show you how the random fiber working. It's different than the bare fiber. The Lipolysis fiber is different with size. It's the random fiber. Glass tube inside is fiber working. So this is the fiber technology for the vaginal tightening. And as you can see, this is the glass tube. How to work on this? Install the handpiece and put the glass tube on the outside of the handpiece. So there's no need to install anything else outside. Just using the glass tube will be okay. On the outside, there's no need to put anything else. Just like this. As you can see, it's very easy, and tightening it is very tight. And for this glass tube, after the treatment, and you need to disinfect the glass tube. Also, you can choose to buy a new glass tube from the factory. Also, if you don't want to buy, you can choose to disinfect it. Our glass tube can withstand 121 hand temperature disinfection. So you can just disinfect it with a hand temperature and be okay. The most temperature is 121. And for the treatment details, like what is the steps for treatment, how much the energy and the parameters you choose, after you call the lead machine can send you everything. And also we will introduce the professional doctor. After from his feedback, his clients vaginal tightening and improved 40% before the treatment. I mean the treatment results is over 40% before the treatment. This is the feedback from the customers. And next, let me show you how this light is working. Let me choose the language, the mode, and the energy. And try standby. You see how is the red light working? It's the red circle. This is how the red fiber working. You see here? So when the treatment handle is working, the energy will also be coming out like this circle. It's round shaped, working like this. It's the most advantage the technology for the vaginal tightening for this handpiece and this technology. Open the back. This. Let's see. And by standby. Next, I will introduce you another handpiece for the hemorrhoids parts. Okay. And for this function, we using also the random fiber. It's the same fiber like this with the red light circle. We introduce this one. Okay, I will do this for you. And for this random fiber for the hemorrhoids, this is the glass tube tip. If you can see this, is round glass tip.
Okay.
As you can see, the glass tip is a round glass. For the another one is this is for EVLT, and for another one for the hemorrhoids, you should use the short tip glass so you can see the difference. You can see the difference here. You see this glass tip is the short tip. This is for the hemorrhoids and the pies. Just now another one that is for EVLT. You see here this is a professional fiber, random fiber. Okay, let me introduce this and install this. 开灯了，然后把这个按上。你从这边来，这里，把这个右边的拧走。You see this fiber with the scalp here? Let me show you this. This is the white one, and with two needles here. See here, two needles. And we will introduce the needle first. Here. For this, we will introduce from outside to the This is for tightening the fiber and the handle piece. Here, first we need to pass this. This is for, you can see this like tighten this fiber and nicely, so you can see it clearly. See here, this is the fiber. And next we will install the fiber. The needle here and install it. So after you finish this, make the fiber inside. You can see the glass tube here. And after that, you tighten this part to fix it. Fix it. Okay, it's finished. You see it's very tight. This is to tighten and lock the fiber. The last part to install, and there's a needle. It's fiber you can see here. Glass tube is the sharp tip. It's for hemorrhoids and next I'll show you how this fiber working. It's the same random fiber like the EVLG and the vaginal hygiene. Now we choose the osmotic energy, and you can see the same like this. You see? It's a right circle. Also, it can be using the cutting functions. Okay. This is the hemorrhoid centipede. If you have any questions, you can contact us at any time to asking for more details. And this is for the endoscope. This is the parts together with the hemorrhoid centipede and the random fiber. This is side off. Meanwhile, the laser machine with the hemorrhoid function can getting off the endoscope, the handpiece with two needles, and also one for your random fiber is together. Also, one more thing I want to see the random fiber. This is not consumable. you can use this fiber all the time after disinfectant after each time treatment. For the lipolysis fiber that is consumable, we need to cut use part after the treatment. For this fiber, you don't need to cut. You can use it all the time. And when the glass tip is burnt or broken at some time, then you need to replace a new one. Okay, next I will introduce you the other handpiece, vascular removal handpiece. This is for the vascular removal handpiece. As you can see, this handpiece. And for the small size, we have 8 small size in total. On the market, other factories only have 3 to 4 at most, and we have 8. You can choose different small size for the different size of treatment area, like the veins line, using the different size to do different size of the veins. It's very easy to choose. And next we will introduce how to install the handpiece. By the way, all the handpiece, we have 10 handpiece fiber, and all of those handpiece and fiber connected with the same international standard SMA 905. So no matter which handpiece you choose, you can all install on a little machine. And also at first, you don't need to buy all the handpiece, because after you buy the little machine, you can add other functions and other fibers at any time you want. And you can just buy the parts from our factory. Also, if you already have the ladle machine and if you want to buy only the parts, that is okay, because all the ladles on market, they have the same international standardized, 905 connector, the same connector with the ladle machine and the same connector with the handpiece. And now I will introduce you the vascular removal handpiece here. And for this, we usually suggest the new clients, using a single mode. What is a single mode? Single mode is you just step on the foot switch once, the leader will work in 1 time. And you step 2 times, it will work in 2 times. And I'll show you how it's working and choose the single mode and host and standby here. Red light. When doing this, sorry, I should take on the glass tube. The glass tube. This is the professional glasses for the operator. For the vascular removal, the red light is very strong, so sometimes you didn't see the breeze. The beam is very good. So also for this glass, you can see it's very professional. Here. Even I already have a glass, I can still take it on. You can see here, just fine. It's very perfect. And see, then I see the red light is very comfortable. It's not that strong. Doing the treatment, you can like this here. When you're doing the treatment for the vascular removal, just point here and just go like this. I will choose the CW mode to shoot the small ovaries for you. CW mode, so when I step on the full switch, the energy can working all the time, as you can see here. When you do treatment, just like this, go straight, go straight here, like this, doing the treatment. Oh, sorry. You see this? Doing the treatment like this, if there's a ring like this. Also, some people say if you take the handpiece like this, it will be more convenient here. like this working. This is the vascular removal handpiece. Okay. And next, I will introduce you our knife fungus removal handpiece. And here this. And usually when we package the handpiece, we are using this potato connector. The outer connector is the most important part on the handpiece or on the laser machine, so we need to protect it very well. This is knife fungus removal handpiece. Here. This knife fungus removal handpiece you can see here. Professional design shape with a gold yellow color. And also our handpiece, the lines inside is important from US. Let me show you the line for the light working. See here. This is the red light here. Oh, 这是白纸，应该用黑色的。See here. For the treatment for the fungus like this, you need to one fingers doing the treatment for 1 to 3 minutes. All the fingers like this. This, and if you feel very pain, you can start a smaller energy. This is for neck fungus. This is very easy to operate. And we can put the handpiece on this piece. The smaller hole is for the vascular removal, and the neck fungus removal. The bigger one is for physical therapy. And next, I will show you the ENT handpiece. I didn't show just now, and I take it out now. You can see with one handpiece and 7 needles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 needles with different shape and length. You can choose. This is for ENT, and it's international standard size for all needles and the handpiece. All the 5 functions. And the next is the EVLT. EVLT, I just showed you. This is the round glass tip. This is for EVLT. Just install the fiber with the laser machine, and you can just do the treatment on the body, like the very coarse rinse removal EVLT. This is very professional and very popular function, and most effective fiber to do the treatment. Next, okay, and I guess for now there's one more handpiece. This one, dental handpiece. You see here, dental handpiece with the one handpiece, cable line, connector, and 1, 2, 3 treatment heights. This is for the dental functions. And if you want more details, you can contact us to send you the PDF and video how to do it and how to do treatment. This is for tasting life here. It's a small size. Okay, and if you need more details, you can contact us. You can contact us for more details at any time. For the PDF files and Word files, also the video, treatment video. Can contact us. This is an advanced stage is the handpiece here. Okay, I guess I have introduced all the handpiece, and next for the you see here is the glasses for the operator, touch eye. This is for the Google for the patients, and this is the scissors. All those parts you will receive no matter which functions or handpiece you choose. You will receive all those parts and the scissors. Oh, if you didn't choose the lipolysis function, you don't have this. Only the lipolysis function has the scissors and the goggles. also the fuse. You can get some free fuse together with the laser machine. So in case the fuse is burnt, you have the new one to back up and replace. Also, the last I will introduce you the double stage frequency card. This one is used to testing the laser machine energy. So how can you know your laser machine is a good energy and using this? Let me show you. First, I will turn off the red light because without red light, I can see the results no accuracy. And next, I can press standby and working with the full switch on the part, as you can see here. You see the green with yellow color on the double frequency card. It means our laser machine has a strong and powerful energy. The laser is working very well, like this. So this is the function for the double frequency card to testing your laser machine energy, and if the laser machine is working very well. Okay, and this is enough for all the handpiece, laser machines, and all the fibers. And if you have any more questions, you can contact us at Alibaba or any other contact we like the WhatsApp, email, or something. And you can get more detailed catalog, videos, and more detailed information. Okay, and thank you for watching our show today. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.